Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we are going to winterize a pressure washer pump. It is one of the easiest and most important maintenance procedures to do before winter hits. Even if your pressure washer is stored indoors, the pump saver can lubricate and remove water minerals from the pump. I use the Briggs & Stratton pump saver. Well, it's easy when you're not holding a camera in one hand. All you need to do is connect the hose fitting from the can to the intake hose fitting. Once connected, you just need to push down on the top of the can and it will push out any water trapped in the pump. Once you see foam coming out, you can stop and disconnect the pump. Be sure to wipe the unit down. And that's it. The pump saver will prevent the pump from cracking due to water inside freezing and expanding. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. And with that said, it looks like another one is good to go.